Hello! Today, you're going to write a recipe poem. What is a recipe poem? It's a poem that describes a person, an object, or a place, as if you're writing a recipe to make it. First, decide what your poem will be about. Your teacher might give you a topic to write about. Write it on your planning sheet. Next, draw or write down the ingredients that make up your topic. You can also include personality, emotions, or actions that could describe your topic. Add some measurements and actions for each ingredient. You can use the word banks to help you. Now you can start to write some sentences for your poem. Can you add some more descriptive words or details? Decide which order to put your lines in. Write it up on your entry form. Here's our example. Take 1 wet nose. Add 100 grams of soft fur. Mix in long walks in the park. Throw 6 balls for him to chase. Finally, stir in happiness when he sees me. You have made my dog. Make sure your name is on your work, then hand it in to your teacher. Well done! You have written your recipe poem. They will send it in to us, and your poem could be published in a real book. There are also fab prizes to be won for our favourite poems. Well done, everyone. We hope you've enjoyed writing your recipe poems.